Tribeca from Hayes USA makes a fashion statement every time you travel. The Tribeca collection is available in 3 fashion prints and 2 metallic solids. iCat Hearts Fuchsia, Brush Strokes, Leopard Melange, Metallic Burgundy, and Metallic Blue. Each shell is made from a polycarbonate composite with a high-gloss finish. A modern trolley system with TPR grip operates with just a touch of a button and allows you to roll your luggage with ease. Each rolling upright comes with a built-in 3-digit TSA-approved lock that allows baggage screeners to inspect your luggage and re-lock for your security. A 360-degree 8-wheel drive spinner wheel system glides easily on any surface. An easy-to-use built-in brake system prevents unwanted movement. The expandable design allows you to pack more of your personal belongings. The fully lined, organized interior is a complement to the unique outside pattern. Each rolling upright is both durable and lightweight and can be lifted with just a finger. A fold-up jewelry roll with zippered compartments allow you to store your jewelry safely and is included in the set. We are proud to share our innovation and style with you to protect your most valued possessions. Tribeca from Hayes USA.